Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Katrina Marie, and I'm here to make sure that you become the very best possible applicant before you click submit. So today I wanted to talk to you about if you are an adult over the age of 18 and you now want to go and apply for college or university, what would that look like? I know many of us out there, we may have thought at 18 when we were finishing high school that I'm not really sure what I want to do. I want to take some time off. I want to figure that out. And then maybe you've fallen into a career that has motivated you to now apply and go to college. So, how does that happen? What do you need to do? Do you need to take tests? All this stuff. So, first and foremost, it's important to decide your why. It's important to decide, why do you want to go? Is it so you can get a promotion into a better paying role at your current employer? Is it to change career paths? Is it because it's just something you've always wanted to do, but you just weren't ready at a certain age? So you need to figure out what your why is. And then you would decide, okay, what can I afford? What is your budget? Are you going to work? Are you going to be able to pay for it? Do you need to take out financial aid? You need to figure out what is your budget and how much you're willing to spend. The next thing is you need to figure out if you need to take any entry exams like the SAT or ACT. Usually your scores are only good for about 5 years, so if you did take it when you're about 16, 17, 18 years old, they may still be good when you decide to apply. Otherwise, they pretty much won't mean a lot if you submit them and they're a bit out of date. So you may need to retake it, you may not. A lot of schools are testing optional, testing flexible, which means that you do not need to take it, you are not required to take these exams, or it won't matter if you submit it at all in the application process. The next thing you might need to consider is writing some essays. You also would need to get some letters of recommendation. Letters of recommendations obviously should be based off of maybe your current employers or people you worked with. It's not really appropriate to go back 5, 6, 10 years to a high school teacher and ask for a letter. So you want something that's relevant to where you're at. It really matters where your current circumstances are, how that's going to be voiced in your application, and that's going to determine really, it goes back to point number 1, the why, when an admission officer is reading your application. So there you have it. If you feel that this information has helped you, or if you feel like you need a little bit more assistance with this process and you are somebody who is thinking about applying to college or even re-entering, you once started and you want to go back, look at my details below in the information. I'll leave it down below for you. And if you like this information, share it with someone, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on the next video.